Ni hao, guys. Tonight we're gonna draw Jetmervamon. This spider is from Digimon Fusion. That's right, folks. You haven't heard the last from Jetmervamon. You haven't heard the last of Mervamon. I told you she'd be back. There's the upper half. This is for everyone who has enjoyed Digimon Fusion. Just a reminder. Jetmervamon is a fusion of Mervamon and Sparamon. Those two form an interesting fusion. Hopefully I'll get to see more like this real soon. Here's the cockpit, merged with Mervamon's helmet.
Too sexy, beautiful, and everybody wants to taste. That's why.
There we go.
You're too sexy, beautiful, and everybody wants to taste. That's why.
Now we draw this mark here. These pads. Well, these are those Sparamon's arms? Why are her fingers sticking out of her? That's just weird. Sure, it sounds interesting, but how can there be why the heck are there arms sticking out of her back? That's just, well, I don't know how to inform this. Alexa, play I'll Be There For You.
Here's I'll Be There For You by the Rembrandts on Amazon Music.
Go. Here's the laser. Go.
Burned your breath
feet.
I'll be there for you. I'll be there for you. 'Cause you're there for me too.
There.
No one could ever know me. No one could ever see me. Since you're the only one who knows what it's like to be me. Someone to face the day with. Make it through all the rest with. Someone I'll always laugh with. Even if I was the best with you. Yeah.
There we go.
It's like you're always stuck in second gear. When it hasn't been your day, your week, your month, even your year. I'll be there for you. When the rain starts to fall, I'll be there for you.
Here we go. Jetmervamon's jetpack.
'Cause you're there for me too. I'll
There
be
we go.
there for you.
Here are the daggers sticking out of her back side.
I'll be there for you. I'll be there for you. 'Cause you're there for me too.
Here's Jetmervamon's spike. Spike. Yeah. Here's some hair. You want to know one thing? Maybe if Gecko gave back the pondweed he stole, maybe Octobella will forgive him. Yeah, that'd be an interesting idea. What do you think, creators of PJ Masks? Sounds like a great idea, doesn't it? There we are. Go. Almost done. Just take this spike. Do the same thing with the other side. There we are. Here's her spine for her snake-like arm. Now we draw the rest of her lower body. As you have noticed, after she fused, Sparrowmon attaches herself to the other part of Mervamon's body. She's like hugging her. You know, because she cares for her. She's very sweet. There we go. Get ready, guys. Shoot! The wings. There we go. There's our wingspan. Now for this part here, here's our claws. Battle claws. There. That is how you draw Mervamon. Well, jetmervamon, actually. Wow. She looks great. What do you think, Beelzemon? Yeah, he loves her. There she is. That's how you draw jetmervamon from Digimon Fusion. Good night, everyone.